Well, I've got another problem. I haven't been working on the 52 very much because I got a leak somewhere around my pump. And I'm not exactly sure where it's coming from. I suspect it's just the gasket, being that they're old. At any rate, I need to be able to park this thing outside because I'm running out of room. I need my shop. I need to be able to work. And I've got cars up the wazoo in here. I want to park things all in that bay if possible. And I don't think I have enough room for all of the things I want to work on. So I need to get this to stop leaking so I can put coolant in it and park it outside. And more importantly, I want to sell the thing. So it would be nice to get something finished. I think I need to tear this apart.
This magnificent new Cadillac presents truly thrilling beauty in every detail and from every angle. Inside, you see luxury and graciousness with modern fabrics and unusual beauty of appointments. And on the road, Cadillac's masterful 250 horsepower engine. It's incredibly...
Having a very hard time getting the bottom hose off. And I remember it wasn't very easy getting it in there either. So I'm trying to get it out with it on. Come on. And also not hurting anything. Oh, of course. Perfect time for a phone call. Come on. Oh, come on. Of course. Yes. If I didn't answer the first time, of course I'll answer the second time. Here we go. Wunderbar.
Cadillac's masterful 250 horsepower engine, its incredibly smooth hydromatic drive, and its advanced power steering provide the finest performance in Cadillac history. Truly, the Cadillac V and Crest have never before represented so much in quality and beauty and performance as for 1955.
Okay, well, we've got it out, and my gasket doesn't look real good on this one. The others look decent. However, I will be getting a new gasket set, of course. However, I think my leak was coming from down here. You can see some fresher rust down around there. And that, well, I guess I'm gonna have to open her up here and see what we've got. I'm guessing there's probably a bearing or something, some kind of a gasket material in there that's leaking. That's pretty nasty. I should probably get this off. I have a bad feeling about this. I am starting to suspect that if it's leaking in here, it looks like it's a solid housing, like a cast housing. How the hell Do you get a propeller in there? That can't be. There's gotta be a way to take it apart, isn't there? I don't see any nuts or bolts or anything. Crap, that's not a good sign. I don't want to buy a new pump for this. Hey, gonna have to think on this. Well, I'm gonna have to do something about this pump. That should work. Well, I've got it all put back together, and as per usual, it was leaking. And it's this spot right here. These bolts. They seemed a little short when I was putting them in there. And I didn't quite torque them down all the way because I felt like they were stripping out or something, and I really hope that's not the case. I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, that's where the leak's coming from. Hopefully that's the only leak. I didn't delve too deep into things. So now I get to remove those bolts. Hopefully I don't have to pull my whole radiator out again, because that's just not that fun. I'm not seeing any new leak. I think I just put my gasket in a little crooked. I didn't get the hole lined up for the bolt, I think. So I just loosened things up and shifted it and tightened it, and everything looked fine. Should be good to go. Well, she sat overnight, and it doesn't look like I got any leaks. And she started right up, and she sounds beautiful. I'd call that a good sign. One more thing accomplished on this. We're getting close to being able to sell her.